We're picking up some pretty heavy interference on the tower frequency. Sounds like a small child singing Justin Bieber.
41 head, Roger, I'll pass on the tower, turn right heading 360, say approach requesting.
Background for the ILS, right your heading 360, Boreal 1. I'd like to point out I'm not the one who identifies the singer.
Is your story, you go stick with it? 481 heavy, Roger, the wind 220 at 16. I'll try not to sing next time.
Copy.
Sorry, looks like what, sir?
Looks like a beanbag chair.
A beanbag chair. All right, is there like a lava lamp and a six-pack out there, too?
Absolutely, disco ball as well.
All right, let me get the Port Authority out there to party with it. They're 5507 Kennedy Ground, runway 22 right. Use caution for a beanbag chair reported at the intersection of Hotel Bravo and Alpha. Your taxi left on Bravo and hold to Foxtrot.
We'll use caution, got insight, and left on Bravo, follow the Delta.
And Triple 76, even though the guy next to me is a grump, he's going to give you 22 right, set up for 22 right.
Roger, JetBlue 76, 22 right, thank you.
JetBlue 76, final approach 32-4, good day.
32-4, you have a good day, JetBlue 76.
Bye-bye.
Yes, JetBlue 76, 4000.
Blue 76, New York. Who told you you could have the right side?
The last guy.
I'm just kidding. That's true. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
He said I was grumpy.
It sounded like he could be a little bit grumpy there for a minute, but that's all right. We'll let it go.
Did he really transmit that? Boy 3866 saying 240 to set 22 left, maintain 2000.
Tower United 2304, we just got word from the flight attendant. Somebody got up and went to the restroom.
Oh, that's a terrible time for that. 2304, cancel takeoff clearance, hold in position, and get them back in their seats.
Oh, they're in the seat, just on the right one.
Okay, Korean 026 Heavy. Cross to 8 left, cross to 8 right, turn right on Charlie.
Follow a Virgin Airbus from your left and hold short of taxiway Victor.
405 Heavy, runway 22 right departure. Behind the Virgin from the left. Follow and hold short of Victor. Victor just passed, but the Virgin is not in sight.
Okay, say again, sir?
Lufthansa 405 Heavy, just passed an American from the left, but no Virgin in sight yet.
Santa Bravo Charlie, just let you know there is a tornado off our left side here.
Roger. Thanks for the report. That is about 15 miles east of my house.
If you want Toronto radio, their frequency would be 126.7.
You're where?
All right. Do you want to talk to a center controller, or do you want to talk to the radio? The radio people give you weather and stuff. The center people keep you away from other airplanes.
I want to be kept away from other airplanes.
In that case, you want to talk to center, not radio. Squawk 4371.
4371.
Yes, sir. 703, year lease number 18.
Okay, fine. So I guess AirTran is the only one out here that had his numbers?
US Air 703, AirTran, I've been waiting a long time, and I don't have time to answer your questions about the sequence. I told you what your number is, and that's all I'm going to tell you.
How now, children?
Metro target evening getaway 781 is visual 22 right, requesting left.
Getaway 781, Metro car change 2 clear to land, runway 22 left.
Awesome, clear to land 22 left, now getaway 781, thank you.
Is it really that wonderful, ma'am?
It is, it's that much closer for the taxi.
Okie dokie.
Be happy.
You sound like you're going to make some guy very happy.
That's why I'm trying to get home.
We are with you. We're sitting behind this cactus. Yeah, he seems to have evaporated. If you could maybe call your ramp and tell him he needs to speak to me if he's going to park on the taxiway indefinitely. Cactus 2017, are you back with me?
Yep.
Yeah, you can't hold there. What's the word on your gate?
Trying to figure it out.
There, Francis, what gate are you waiting for?
Francis, still waiting for our gate.
Yes, and what gate would that be?
Gate 8, Francis.
173 is a Bravo hold short Whiskey. We're not yet cleared in the ramp with the aircraft.
I'm aware of that. That's why you're parked there. Call me when you can get in the ramp.
Ground Air France 006 Super, gate 8 is available for us.
No, it's not. They lied to you. So just hold there. I'll call you when it's available. I don't need you to tell me what I can see and you can't.
Okay.
Okay, one at a time, please, gentlemen. Listen up before you key the mic and step on each other. China Eastern, you had a question about your taxi route?
Gate 4 is available.
Thank you, very good. If you can get under, over, or around the Lufthansa A340 between you and Gate 4, you tell me about it.
Negative, sir. The aircraft is still at the gate.
Well, the building's pushing now.
Okay, and I have no way to get you there, and they have not begun pushing yet. I will pull you when I can get you there, and the gate is actually available. I've been doing this for a long time. I will move you when I can get you there.
Okay. We're running short of fuel.
Banana 2906, Sensible Hotel, hold short 17 at Bravo, waiting local release.
Hold short of 17. You just call me a banana?
No sir, you did not hear that correctly.
I heard it.